In today's volatile world of cryptocurrency, thousands of tokens come and go, but only a few manage to carve a unique identity. One such project is SEI, a blockchain not built for everything, but laser-focused on one thing: trading at lightning speed. From high-performance transaction engines to a custom-built order matching system, SEI isn't trying to be Ethereum or Solana. It's building a fast lane exclusively for decentralized exchanges. But here's the big question: is SEI the future of trading infrastructure, or just another overhyped layer 1 with short-lived momentum? In this detailed breakdown, we'll dive into its price history, market sentiment, tokenomics, unique technology, and what the future might hold for this ambitious project. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this content should be considered as financial or investment advice. Crypto markets are highly volatile and risky. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Let's begin with the current numbers. The SEI token is trading at $190,451, with a 24-hour trading volume of roughly $74.58 million. It holds a market cap of $1.02 billion and a market dominance of just 0.03%, indicating that while it's a significant project, it's still a small player compared to giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the last 24 hours, SEI has experienced a modest price increase of 0.67%, signaling some short-term buyer interest despite broader bearish sentiment. Chart increasing historic highs and lows. SEI's journey. SEI's all-time high was reached on March 16, 2024, when the token soared to $1.13,943, a significant milestone for the project. In contrast, its all-time low was recorded on October 19, 2023, at just $0.094921. Since that peak, the token retraced heavily with a cycle low of $0.131,097 before climbing to a cycle high of $0.274,216, a sign of ongoing volatility and speculative trading activity. Bar chart example for perspective. Imagine you invested $1.000 in SEI at its all-time low of $0.0904921. You would have seen your investment grow more than 10x at its ATH. However, entering at the top could have meant a massive 83% drawdown today. This highlights the importance of timing and risk management in crypto. Brain market sentiment behavior. Currently, SEI's price sentiment is classified as bearish, meaning more sellers than buyers are in control. But interestingly, the crypto fear greed index is at 64, placing the broader market in a state of greed. This often suggests that people are getting confident or even overconfident, sometimes right before market corrections. Chart decreasing token supply dynamics. Inflation circulation. SEI has a circulating supply of 5.33 billion tokens, while the maximum supply cap is set at 10 billion, meaning over 50% of tokens have already entered the market. One major factor to note is the supply inflation rate, which currently stands at a staggering 82.29% per year. That means 2.41 billion new tokens were created in the past year alone. Brain why this matters. In basic economics, if new supply increases dramatically while demand remains constant, price tends to fall. High inflation in token supply can put downward pressure on prices unless matched by strong user growth and adoption. Chart decreasing monthly and cross-asset performance over the last 30 days. SEI is down 24% in USD value. It has underperformed Ethereum by 31%. It also lags Bitcoin by 19%. Brain real-world analogy. If SEI were a stock in your portfolio, it would be the one dragging your performance down right now, especially compared to major indexes like ETH, S500 of crypto, and BTC, the gold standard. Calendar yearly and quarterly returns a roller coaster. Let's break it down. In 2023, SEI posted phenomenal gains of plus 182.50%, climbing from $0.20 to over $0.56. In 2024, however, it lost 29.45%, reflecting the bearish market trends and possibly reduced hype or competition from newer Layer 1 chains. Over the last 3 years, SEI has averaged plus 76.53% growth annually, which is still impressive for long-term holders. Tear off calendar quarterly trends. Best quarter. Historically, SEI performs best in Q4, averaging an insane plus 179.01% return. Worst quarter, Q2, where it tends to drop, averaging 58.79% losses. Blue Book lesson: if you're looking to enter or exit positions, timing around quarters can be critical. Seasonality is real in crypto markets, just like it is in traditional finance. Globe with Meridian's Liquidity Exchange Access SEI is listed on over 60 exchanges, with top liquidity on Binance and COO Coin, two of the biggest centralized exchanges in the world. This means entering and exiting trades is relatively easy, especially for medium-sized investors. Hammer SEI's core purpose: what makes it unique? Now let's talk tech. SEI Network is a sector-specific Layer 1 blockchain, uniquely optimized for decentralized trading applications. Here's what sets it apart: Jigsaw key technical innovations, optimized for exchanges. SEI is designed with a built-in order placement and matching engine, unlike Ethereum or Solana that rely on external apps for this. This makes SEI faster and more efficient for DEXs. Parallelization: transactions don't have to line up one after another. Instead, they can be processed in parallel, increasing throughput. Predictable block finality: SEI uses smart techniques to order transactions deterministically, reducing front-running and increasing fairness for traders. Blue Book example use case: if Ethereum is like a general-purpose operating system like Windows, then SEI is like a specialized trading terminal built from the ground up to support one thing: fast cash. Fair and efficient crypto trading. Pushpin market positioning ranked number 13 among proof-of-stake coins, ranked number 34 in the Layer 1 blockchain category. It's not yet in the top 10, but its technical edge and niche focus on trading could be a long-term growth catalyst, especially if decentralized finance rebounds or centralized exchanges face regulatory pressure. Direct hit conclusion: should you watch or invest in SEI? SEI is an ambitious project with real technical depth. It's not just another Layer 1. It's built specifically for speed, scale, and fairness in decentralized trading. But like any high-inflation, mid-cap token, it comes with risks including token dilution, volatility, and competitive pressure. If you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward asset with strong infrastructure and a unique niche, SEI deserves a spot on your watch list. Just be cautious, time your entries wisely, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Brain, want more deep dives like this on altcoins and emerging blockchain projects? Let me know, and I'll break down other tokens with the same clarity and insight. And that wraps up our deep dive into the SEI blockchain, a project that's fast, focused, and full of potential, but also not without risk. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop your thoughts on SEI in the comments.